In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in 11 Labs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to select, and how to generate speech in the language you want with clear, consistent results. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type 11 Labs and look for the official 11 Labs website in the results. Click through to the site, then navigate to the text-to-speech page. This is where you'll enter your text, pick the right voice technology, and produce your audio. On the text-to-speech page, place your cursor in the text box and write a short prompt you want to hear spoken. You can paste something you've already prepared or just type a sample sentence for testing. Keeping the first prompt short makes it faster to preview and tweak your settings. Next, locate the model selection area and choose 11 Multilingual V2. This model is designed to handle many languages naturally, offering better pronunciation and prosody across a wide range of locales. Selecting it sets you up for accurate language rendering. Now, select a model or voice you like. Different voices can influence tone, pacing, and clarity. If you plan to generate speech in a particular language, choosing a voice known to support multilingual output can produce more natural results. Look for the language override option and enable it. This is the key step for changing languages reliably. With override on, the system will speak in the language you select, even if your text isn't written in that language or mixes languages. It helps avoid auto-detection mistakes and gives you control. Open the language list and choose your target language. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the exact variant you want if there are regional options. If your text includes special characters or punctuation common to that language, keep them in. This often improves pronunciation and rhythm. When everything looks good, click Generate Speech. Give it a moment to process, then listen to the result. If anything sounds off, try a slightly different sentence. Add clearer punctuation, or adjust your wording and generate again. Short, iterative tests usually lead to the most natural-sounding output. That's all there is to it. Google 11 Labs, open text-to-speech, write your prompt, select 11 Multilingual V2, pick a model, enable language override, choose your language, and generate speech. With these steps, you'll have clean, consistent language control every time you create audio in 11 Labs.